You will click on deploy, then you will click on open the Systeme.u template. This will automatically download your template directly to your Systeme.u account. Next, you can refresh. Okay, to confirm the status. Here, we refresh, it confirms the status, and we click on it. Right, we have our page here, and we can simply go and edit the page. We will retrieve our code by clicking continue and then copy code. First, we will navigate over to this section. Click right here to enter your unique code. We click it, and then we will simply enter the entire code. We save our progress, and as you can see, our funnel has just appeared right here, all right? So, with our effects and everything else, now we can save or preview the page, click, and we can see that the pop-up opens. However, the pop-up doesn't look good. It doesn't match the sales funnel. So what we're going to do is go back into the editor, go to our pop-up, and click on our pop-up. Here, we can see that we can also enter a code. Click here to enter your pop-up code. So we go back to FunnelForge. We copy the pop-up code that's right here. There we go. We come back here. And we can simply paste our pop-up code here and save. This will transform our pop-up. We can save. We apply it to preview our funnel again. And now when we click, our pop-up has the correct design. So of course you can modify it and so on, just like on Systeme.io.